In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to create this super clean and pretty awesome slide transition effect to use in your next edit or even music video. So the clip I'm using right now, it should be from a Not Spend music video. I'm going to go ahead and create an adjustment layer. Then I'm going to go ahead and add s_blur mode curves, add it into our adjustment layer, and then I'm going to go over to our shift Y. I'm going to put it to like 1000. And then I'm going to go to our warp Y and put on reflect. Click on our time watch right here on shift Y. Open up a timeline. Then go to around like right here at our 10th frame right here. And put it down to 0. Highlight both keyframes. Press F9 on my keyboard to easy use it. I'm going to open up my graph editor. Then I'm going to make this simple graph right here. Hold on, bro. I can't even make this shit, man. Kind of bugging out a bit. Okay, yeah. There you go. After me totally not failing to make it, here it is. It's pretty clean. It might come in too fast, so if I were you, just go ahead and just tweak it a bit. I want mine to come in like really fast, so like I'm gonna have it like right here. Yeah, man, it's just all about like just trying and see what you like. I like that one right there. Then once we get something like this, I'm going to close out our effect panel right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and add another effect, which is going to be directional blur. Should be under blur and tripin, and drag in our directional blur. Go to the beginning of our adjustment layer, and I'm going to bring up our blur length all the way up, dude. Like to around, I think, I'm not even sure, like 140. Click on the time watch. Open up my timeline. I'm going to use the same keyframes we did on our blur mode curves effect. So right here, then I'm going to put on 0, highlight, and then easy use it. And you should get something like this. Except for here how it dies out, kind of a bit late. So I'm going to do the same thing with our graph. Make something like this. I want it to like at least have some type of blur, so yeah, we got something like that, and it looks really clean so far. I'm gonna close out our effect panel for our directional blur right here. Then once after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add noise, and we're gonna use the base After Effects noise effect. Turn off our use color noise, and we're gonna put our noise all the way up to like 30, and go over here to the beginning of our adjustment layer. Click on time watch, open up our timeline, then go about around, I would say like right here, or you can even go like right there, and we're gonna put it down to 0. Highlight both our keyframes, easy use it, and we get something like this. I might even extend it out maybe a bit more, so like this one dies out much later after our slide transition effect. So you get something like this. I'm going to close out our effect panel. Then I'm going to go ahead and add exposure. Drag it in. And you can just add any number you want right here. It depends how bright you want your flash to be. So I'm going to add it at 9. Click on our little watch right here. And open up my keyframes. Number of keyframes, my timeline. And I'm going to put it on 0 right here on a second keyframe. Highlight both keyframes and easy use it. Then we'll go here to our graph editor. And I'm going to go ahead and just mess around with our graph for our exposure effect, because I want it to like low-key just come in fast and die out slow. So let's see how this looks. Yeah, I like it like that. It looks way better. And then I'm gonna close out our exposure effect. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a tritone effect. Drag it in, and this is where you pick out your own color that you want on your actual clip. So I'm gonna go ahead and add red right here, and I'm going to click on our time watch, and I'm going to have 0% on our first keyframe, then go like right here and bring it all the way up to 100. Highlight both of our keyframes and easy use it, and we get something like this. It's a nice, like kind of like a bloodshot slide transition effect, and it's customizable as well. Let's say you don't really like the red effect, I mean not the red effect, the red hue. You can go and change it like this to even blue. This one always to change it. You can add like green, and yeah, that's it for this effect. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like, subscribe, even leave a comment. Keep working hard and keep on staying creative. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.